Big data and advanced analytics are game changers for today's business, allowing them to create competitive advantage or protect against disruption like never before. Advanced analytics is enabling us to predict the future, prescribe interventions, and change the outcome. This is enabled by access to a wide variety of data, a scalable compute platform that we've never seen before, and an array of new tools and technology. This allows us to shift the business from analysis and reporting to predictive modelling and machine learning. A lot of the work that we do is confidential to our clients. By creating this project, we provided a platform that showed how we can predict the results, prescribe interventions, and genuinely change the outcome. So we created our own virtual cycling race with members from the International Cycling Executives.
Our aim in building the race simulation was to create an advanced analytic model to produce an outcome. We also wanted to show that we could prescribe actions and interventions to change that outcome. So essentially, predict and prescribe events to affect the outcome.
We had survey data that we took from the cycling executive community to establish cycling preferences and demographics. We also used Strava data, GPS-based cycling tracking program used around the world by recreational cyclists. All up, we had 109 riders involved with more than 1 billion data points to work with, which show individual cyclist riding history, habits, and preferences over time.
To put it in a business context, this could be predicting next best offer in a retail environment or churn in an insurance agency.
We took the data and created a cyclist analytic record, a view of all data across time for every rider involved. We then went through a modeling process, including statistical analysis and feature selection. This was to understand the key individuals' properties and environmental factors and how they influence riding performance. And finally, we determined each rider's power curve, showing optimal performance. The algorithm was developed from here to predict the speed of any rider given any gradient on any segment in the world.
We ran the simulation over stage 20 of the 2015 Tour de France, which includes some iconic climbs. Our aim was to consider race conditions, such as weather, which can change riders' performance, and therefore outcomes. And we also wanted to show final finish times, sprints, and King of the Mountain stage winners. And we changed the outcomes using prescribed interventions. In this case, tax on the road, which actually occurred in the 2012 Tour de France with Cadel Evans being impacted. And illegal performance improving gel consumption, as Chris Froome had done in the 2013 Tour.
Interventions have showed us how we can change the outcome. This could be consumer behaviour, optimising maintenance schedules, or asset performance. This is where competitive advantage is really felt. As an example, we had a major uplift in revenue for one of our clients, creating a significant impact to bottom line. As you can see, with the approach, platform and capability provided by EYC3, the only limit is your imagination.